Ka jingtre halor ka project Skywalk ka basan phui klur Dympep hajan sora kala dep hadu arpho percent batlas dang ya ka jingte nadu ubnai naiwing jong snem baladem ya kani la pintip da UMLE ka sora uba Gavin million ulo ong ba ya ka project la thmu ban pindep ha ka bakut jong snem arajar arpunyo but andala dep kani ka Skywalk kan long ka Jingkhring Bakhraw ki Nongwan Jngohkai Pyrthei Dympep bat ki thain ba marjan uba Gavin ula ongru ba kani ka Skywalk kan long ka bajrong hadu saupo meter bat kadai ka ni ki project banding kong hapo ka than shite lam mingi ha ka bayade bat ka project Jngohkai Pyrthei hano kali kai ka balai pu prak lor ling ba ka PM divine scheme u MLA ula ong ba ha ka bayade bat ka tender ladem bat ka jingtre kan sasdang notion halor ki jing smokiai ka mariang uba Gavin milliam ula penshai baha ka detailed project report ne ka DPR ladeb ban shimkhia ya baro ki binta ban yadai ka mariang.
So actually the Skywalk at Dympep, the work has started I think so in the month of November last year, where the progress of the work is ongoing, and according to the reports from the department, the ongoing progress is around 20% till date. So I'm very confident that once completed, this project will ultimately boost the tourism, in fact in the Dympep area and its adjoining areas, and it'll be one of its kind, because we do understand that the projection will be around to the length of 40 meters. So I think so it's one of the first, I think so, in the northeast. So I think so they'll be able to attract many tourists when they come to this part of the area. The project cost of the Skywalk at Dympep is around 51 crores, and the tentative time for completion of this particular project, according to the reports from the department, I think so will be in the later part of 2027. The Meghalaya project, yes, we got the sanction last year in the month of November under the PM Divine scheme. The total project cost is around 38 crores, and the tendering process has just been completed. It has just been allotted to a contractor. So I think so they'll be starting the work in the few days to come. So since we of course, while preparing the DPR also, the consultants have taken all those things into consideration, because we do understand that, especially in these kind of schemes, the PM Divine scheme and many other schemes, the environment part is taken into consideration. So I don't think so they'll have any impact on the environment.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.